Hi everybody, we're showing a reconditioned Fitzpatrick FASO8 mill today. We're powered up right now. I don't want to run too long without the throat in place. Very smooth, quiet, the bearings are excellent. As you can see, the motor's been completely rebuilt. It's an 8-inch wide grinding chamber, bigger than the 6-inch a lot of people are used to as the standard size Fitz mill. 20 horsepower drive, and we can adjust and tailor the legs to anything you want. It's going to have a pan fed mounted when it's complete. You'll see pictures on the listing on the website. Thanks for joining us for this video today. And that long coast indicates the bearings are perfect, like new shape.